Hello everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to change Zoom profile picture. For that, open the Zoom account first. So open any browser on your PC and then click open new tab. There on the search bar, you type in zoom.com and press enter. This will direct you to the official web page where you will need to get signed in first. So click on sign in over here on the top right. Type in the details over here. Now type in the password. Click on sign in. This will get you signed in into the Zoom account of yours. Now it will direct you to the profile or the home page of Zoom. Once you're at the home page, you need to click on profile over here. Just below that, click that. Once you're at the profile page of yours, you need to click on edit over here just beside the profile name. Click that. In the array, you need to click on the profile box over here, the square box. Click on it. Now you need to select a JPG / JPEG, GIF or PNG image file with smaller than 2 MB to upload and crop on image to be your profile picture. So here you need to click on choose files and upload a profile picture that you want to have in your Zoom account. Once you have chosen the file, you will be able to adjust the size of the picture. Once you have done that, you need to click on save over here. So this will be your profile picture for the Zoom account. Now you need to save this change as well. For that, scroll down and here you will see the save option. Click that. Your settings have been updated. This way you will be able to change the profile picture for the Zoom. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you.